Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be giving you my review on the Olaplex number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner. And not only that, I am doing my first giveaway. Yes, I'm almost at 500 subscribers and I was gonna do a giveaway at 1,000, but I purchased these already and I found out Olaplex was sending them to me, which is kind of cool. But instead of, just holding on to these, I said, you know what? Let me give them away. So I'm going to be giving away a number 4, a number 5, and number 3 to the lucky winner. This is going to be a USA only giveaway, my first giveaway, because I already have them. I would have made it international if I hadn't already purchased them, because I can just send them from the site to wherever you are. But this is going to be for USA only for right now, and I'm going to do this giveaway until it's going to last until I get 500 subscribers. Here are the rules. The rules are you have to be a subscriber and you have to leave a comment. I love comments. I love interacting with you guys. I don't know if you know that, but I try and respond to every comment. And yeah, so let's get into the review. Let's start off with number 4. So what does it do? First of all, it is for all hair textures. It is a highly moisturizing reparative shampoo that leaves hair easy to manage, shiny, and healthier with each use. It repairs and maintains bonds within the hair, eliminates frizz and flyaways, and reduces breakage. Now, how do you use this? This is sulfate, paraben free, gluten, it is vegan, it is color safe. So they said you can use this every time you shampoo or after rinsing Olaplex number 3 hair perfector from hair, lather, rinse. So this is very concentrated. You get 8.5 fluid ounces, and this is a plastic bottle. It looks just like a bigger version of the number 3, but I put this much in my hair and it lathered up like lather. So it is very concentrated. You do not need a lot of this, which is great. Now, the first time I used it on my straight hair, it left my hair it felt a bit stripped, a bit hard. The second time I used it, it wasn't as hard, but it wasn't as moisturizing for me. But I'm also the girl who, can't use coconut oil, which is a big thing in a lot of curly girls, hairstyle thing. So yeah, the shampoo is okay. It's not as moisturizing for me as my Oribe. My Oribe, I can detangle with my Oribe. But I went on to the conditioner. It didn't make my hair hard like, some of those dollar shampoos that you just got in a hurry and your hair is just, I can't even put a comb, I can't do anything with it. It's not like that. But it just left it a little hard, a little drier than, stripped a bit than I'm used to. So going on to the Olaplex number 5, the conditioner is the same 8.5 fluid ounces. And it is a highly moisturizing reparative conditioner that protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. It repairs hair and maintains bonds with the hair, adds shine, and strengthens. How to use. Okay, it says that you apply this and leave on for 3 minutes and then you rinse. I still have it in my hair. You guys know me. I do that. I do that with my Oribe too. With conditioners, I put it in my hair and I leave it and I rinse it out the next morning. But for this, you guys may laugh at me because I tried this 2 different ways. I don't know if you've watched my other video, but with this, I told you, you need to saturate your hair. If you don't saturate your hair, you'll get a completely different result. For this, it says to apply generously. The first time I said, okay, let me apply how much I'll apply of my Oribe. And this is thick. The consistency is thick, like thick, good thick, especially for dry, curly hair. And I said, this is fine. Put this in my hair. What happened was that my hair dried and I had my same, so after I straighten my hair, I try and straighten my hair maybe once a month just for a different look. But I want to try these out after I straighten my hair, when my hair is just, I've burnt the crap out of it basically for the last few days. And this is meant to revive my hair, so let's try it during that time. Normally after I straighten my hair though, I need to use my number 3 about 3 times to get my curls bounciness back. And I normally have lots of straight straggly parts and what have you. As you can see my hair right now, my hair is great. It is amazing. What this conditioner, and I'm putting the shampoo in there, the whole treatment, with this new, this is amazing. My hair bounced back. Like, yeah, my hair, took a moment to look in the mirror. My hair bounced back. So this right here, I still had straggly ends, my straggly straight parts in my hair after I just used this amount. Let me show you the amount when they say generous. Generous, like generous, guys. And yes, my hair in the mirror, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is shiny. It doesn't have any frizz. And I'm going to try and put this back in the bottle. Hold on one second. All right. I had conditioner everywhere trying to put that back in the bottle. But yes, this made my hair amazing. This is awesome. Now, would I use these on a regular basis? Is this replacing my Oribe? Absolutely not. What this is doing though is I would use this once a month. I would use this in conjunction with this. In my opinion, that's how it works. This works best for me. And I personally think these are great for when I feel like my hair needs a boost. So even if I don't use all 3 together, this conditioner is amazing. But if I do use all 3 together, I will use the shampoo as well, because I feel like the system is the system for a reason. And so yeah, I would recommend it. These 2 though are everything. Everything. The shampoo is okay, and I will use it the once a month or twice a month or what have you. It wouldn't be an everyday thing for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the new Olaplex 4 and 5 shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, it's great. It's amazing. It's amazing. And I hope you guys have a great day. And I'm so excited to be giving away the 3-step system. And be mindful, because this is my first time receiving products from someone, they haven't come yet. Of course, I purchased these, that no matter who's sending me products, and if they do send me products or don't, you will always get my opinion on it. And, you know, if I like it or if I don't, or if it doesn't work for me, but that doesn't mean it won't work for you. So just because the shampoo made my hair a little harder doesn't mean the shampoo won't be amazing for you, because we all have different hair types. And as I said again, coconut oil does not work for me, but it works for so many other people. I don't know why it doesn't work for me. Oh my gosh, it would be so much easier if it did, but it doesn't. So yeah, I'm just telling you how it works on my hair. So yeah, giveaway, yay. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And this is just so much fun. Yeah. Bye, guys.